Sharon Downey here with another 2-minute hair tip. Fine, thin, limp hair, stay tuned for a fast, easy and effective way to bring back the volume. Now as you can see, my hair is, it's fine, but it's not very full. And in order to get this look, I just put 3 rollers in. I put one here in the front going down, one on the top over directed going back, and one at the nape of the neck going down. They're Velcro rollers, just use 2 long roller pins and they're secured and they do the job just great. But as you can see, I need a little help. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to bump it in this today. I just don't want to. So I'm going to just grab the top here and I'm going to back comb it with my little brush like so. And that's approximately where my extension is going to go in. And I'm also going to do another one underneath so that I have a little bit of lift. Now, here's my extension. It's on a roller and I've just secured it with a hairpin. And if I undo the roller, it's got a lovely bend in it and I folded it up. So it's just 1 roller is all I need. And it's got 4 toupee clips in it. So let me just comb this out a little bit. And all I do to set it is I use a little bit of water on the hair, comb it through, wrap it in a roller, put it in the closet until I need it next. Okay, so now I'm going to just apply by opening the clips first along that line in between, and I know that that's approximately where I want the back to be, and then I lift up the hair a bit at the sides and it comes around almost to the temple. Secure it in place, throw the hair back, and already you can see the amount of fullness that gives me. So then all I need to do is just slightly back comb a little bit on each side and futz and do what I want to do to get it to sit just the way I want it to sit. And then I use my teasing or barber's comb, the rat tail end of my barber's comb, to do the kind of lift I want. Use my fingers to give me the look that I want so that it's not too structured, if that makes any sense. And then comb everything in place. And that's it. Now, if I want a little more fullness, I go in underneath here and just back comb at the root on each side and any place else. And as you can see, this gives me a lot more lift with just 1 weft from temple around to the other temple. And from here I can create a whole bunch of other hairstyles with this 1 weft in that will give me the thickness and volume that I need. 1 weft can create a lot of volume and look very natural, be well hidden, and give you lots more styling options with thicker, more voluminous hair. Anyway, fast, easy, and chic as always. We'll see you next time.